Good day, welcome to Hatch Fix and DIY. Guys, I just received my package today. So, let's see what's inside. Okay. So we have here the cabin filter. So this is the cabin filter, and the other one is an air filter for the engine part. So this video we're going to show you on how to replace your car or your Toyota Avanza cabin filter. For those who want to ask where I bought this filter, I just ordered this from Shopee and delivered to via Ninja Van. So this is the cabin filter. So let's see inside. So as you can see on the backs, it tells a genuine part. So this is the cabin filter. As you can see, this is not the usual one, the white one. So I used to purchase this black. So this is a black color. Basically, this is a charcoal filter type of filter. So I didn't choose the white conventional one or the usual one. I chose this charcoal type of filter. So I will explain to you guys what's the purpose or what's the difference between the charcoal type of filter and the conventional filter, the color one. So the white filter, it only filters the dust, some residues inside the cabin. So it only filters the some oils. But this one, when you're going to choose this charcoal type of filter, so it also filters the it also filters the bad smelling of your car rather. One has more functions compared to the white one or the other one, the conventional filter. So that's why I chose this one, a charcoal type of a cabin filter. So now we're going to start to replace the old filter inside the glove box. So you just simply open the glove box and pull it down for us to be able and access into the cabin filter behind this cabin glove box. Okay, for us to be able to pull down the glove box, you only grip the center of the glove box and push here. Sorry, pull this portion. Okay, and also the other side. Yeah, that's all. So that's how it works. Okay, now we just remove the glove box and where exactly the cabin filter is located. So okay, okay, that's all. So by the way guys, upon cleaning this portion, I found out that there's no filter inside this cabin filter. So the two was I noticed my aircon before was so dusty and some smell, some bad smell. So just inserted the filter, guys. I tell you frankly, had a hard time to insert it, to install it, since this model doesn't have a clip here or opener here, as you can see. So I have to use the upper portion here. So just gonna use some lights on the camera. It doesn't have. Okay. Anyway, so I used to insert the filter here at the upper portion. So for me to be able to insert inside the whole filter. Alright, for a clear view, so this portion must have a cavity for us to be able to insert the cabin filter. So for this model, this is a 2013 model of Avanza. So I can do anything. I cannot do anything. So I have to cut this, the original, so I can remove this one. So it's supposed to have a cover here, then insert the filter, and that's all. So the filter is also already inside. Okay, so that's all. So we just bring back or reinstall the glove box. So make sure. Okay. Then simply push it like that. Okay. Right. The other side. Okay. So that's good. Then let's gonna see. All right. So I feel now a colder air and a cleaner air as well. It doesn't have any bad smell like it used before. So actually I used to put the this one, the air freshener here before there, in order to decrease the bad smell of the aircon. Now it doesn't have anymore. So that's the function of that. That's the good of having a charcoal type filter. You will not recognize anymore a bad smell on your car, inside your car. So that's all. That's good. Thank you for watching, guys. And for those who are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And if you want to share, please share. And please also like this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.